In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an event calendar in Confluence. Whether you're planning meetings, setting deadlines, or simply organizing your schedule, having an event calendar in Confluence can be a powerful tool. Let's walk through the process together. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific Confluence page where you intend to add the event calendar. You might have various pages in your Confluence space, so make sure you choose the one where the calendar will be most relevant and accessible for your team. Once you're on the correct page, look for the calendar option. It's important to note that this feature is a paid one, so make sure your organization has it as part of your Confluence setup. Once you've got access to the calendar section, you'll see a plus sign generally in a prominent area of the interface. Click that plus icon to move forward. This will lead you to another option called Add New Calendar. Select it to start creating your calendar. Now, it's time to give your calendar a name. Choose a name that succinctly captures the essence and purpose of the calendar. For example, you might call it Team Project Deadlines or Weekly Meetings. Having a clear and descriptive name will ensure that everyone knows the calendar's purpose at a glance. After naming your calendar, the next step is to create it by clicking on the Create button. This action finalizes your new calendar and integrates it into your Confluence page. With your calendar now set up, try clicking on a specific date on the calendar interface. This feature lets you input details for specific events, whether it's a meeting, a task deadline, or some other occasion. You'll be able to fill in details such as the event title, which should clearly define the purpose of the meeting or occasion. Next, you'll select the event type and specify both the start and end dates and times for your event. Once all these details are in place, don't forget to hit Save. This ensures that the event is recorded and visible to everyone who accesses the calendar. To ensure the calendar integrates smoothly into your workspace, go back to the Confluence page where you want the calendar displayed. Type in the command "team" in the text editor and then choose Team Calendars from the options that appear. This will embed your calendar directly onto the page. You'll have the option to customize various details of your calendar display. By clicking on Team Calendars, you can further personalize the experience by selecting the recently created calendar. You can also edit properties like view, width, and height in pixels, and choose whether or not to display weekends. And there you have it. You now know how to create and customize an event calendar directly within Confluence. By following these steps, you'll bring more structure and clarity to your collaborative projects, keeping everyone informed and aligned.